Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an Excel trading journal. First, open a new Excel workbook. Label the first few columns with key details like date, trade symbol, entry price, and exit price. Then, add columns for the quantity of shares, your profit or loss, and a section for any important notes. This initial setup is crucial for tracking your trades effectively and consistently. Once your columns are set, enter each individual trade on a new row. Be sure to fill in all the details for every trade you make. For your profit or loss column, use a simple formula like exit price minus entry price, multiplied by quantity. This automates your calculations. You might also want a column to track how many days each trade lasts. Now, let's analyze your performance. Use Excel's powerful filtering and sorting tools to review specific trades or patterns. You can create simple charts, like a line graph of your cumulative profit, to visualize your progress. Also, consider applying conditional formatting to automatically highlight profitable trades in green and losing trades in red, making your journal much easier to read. For more advanced tracking, consider adding drop-down lists for common trade setups or strategies. This helps standardize your data entry. Pivot tables are excellent for summarizing your performance by different criteria, like specific symbols or trading strategies, giving you deeper insights. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. A well-maintained journal is a powerful tool for improving your trading decisions over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.